今もう副会長出てきました。もう副会長が若干出てきました。
You're welcome, everybody.
Thanks, Ben. We all owe you a beer.
Today basically was a day to set a date to hear when they might start the hearing. It was a date to set a date. They're coming back to court on May 8th, and on that day, hopefully they'll set a date to when the extradition hearing will begin.
Come on, guys, just give a walkway here, guys. Just give a bit of a walkway, you guys. Watch your step, please. Watch your step.
Okay, I'm going to get out of the way.
She just needs to get her car.
Gotta move that way. We gotta get in the car.
Needs to get in the car, please. Left or right, guys?
You gotta move that way.
But defense lawyer Richard Peck said this case has political overtones. He said it's a unique case in extradition jurisprudence. He said they're concerned about some of the comments made, particularly by the United States President, because early in December, Donald Trump suggested that he might try to have the case quashed or not carry ahead with the case if he could get it as part of a trade deal with China. The defense are saying this case is political, and they're also concerned. Meng Wanzhou's lawyers have also filed a civil suit alleging about when she was arrested that her civil rights were violated, she didn't have proper access to a lawyer. So this is all sort of a little bit of a preview of what the defense might do when the actual extradition hearing begins. Crown just listened to it. They just let it go. I mean, I'm sure they're going to be prepared, and they're going to argue on the merits of the case. The civil suit, that's another matter. Will that even go to court? What's going to happen there? So those are all questions that even the defense lawyer said today there's going to be many. Even between now and May, there might be more proceedings, more applications, more filings. What's next? Meng Wanzhou is supposed to be back in court on May 8th. On that date, they hopefully, the plan is, they will set a date for the whole extradition hearing to begin. That's a possibility, or they could refer to a later date again.
I'll give that to you.
Basically, the extradition hearing here, it won't necessarily do with her guilt or innocence. That's to be decided in the U.S. Basically, what we're looking at here is there a case? Has she been fairly treated? And carry on. Some extradition hearings in Canada have been held up if there's a threat of a death penalty. Canada won't extradite somebody to a country that has a death penalty. They don't have a death penalty here. They won't extradite somebody to a country with a death penalty. But since this is obviously not a death penalty case, that shouldn't be an issue.
Her case is reported in Vancouver later on here this morning. Of course, she was arrested in December.